Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to MCBOSS Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Tuesday, January 20th, 2026. We are just past 9:04 a.m. Mountain Time. So past 11 a.m. Eastern Time here. The market is definitely under a lot of pressure this morning. Nasdaq down 1.29%, Dow is down 0.92, S&P is down 1.06. Volume is running much higher on Nasdaq and NYSE, so meaning we will have a distribution day if we close where we at right now. Um, yeah, we have news here related to the Trump administration wanting to raise tariff for some of the EU countries. Um, so like so yeah, 10% tariff on European NATO countries backing Denmark as he wants to acquire Greenland. The tariff will start on February 1st, and by June 1st, it could escalate to 25% if they don't help with the deal there. And this applies to Denmark, Norway, Sweden, France, Germany, UK, and the Netherlands and Finland. So that's what caused this morning sell off here. That is the major news. And let's quickly look at the chart here. This is the daily chart on QQQ. And you can see that, let me just, you can see it is under the red line now. So that is a little bit not a good thing, just because we are testing that line once again. So yeah, I guess we'll also watch for this low here. The previous low here, let's just see what the number is. 610.15. So right now we are okay, so this morning we went to 610.32. And if we go to 5-minute bar here, so we see a huge gap up. We are bouncing back at this moment. So we'll see if we can continue with that momentum. But yeah, this morning we test a recent low here. But generally, it is not a good sign when they break their key moving average like the 50-day. With so much earnings coming up in the next 2 weeks, I think, the market will continue to be volatile. We are still within this big channel line here, although this morning we broke it. So that's the problem right now, is that we have broke this bottom channel line from that perspective. Sometimes one day is not something important, especially if we close strong today. But we do need to pay attention, because when we break a pendant formation, usually that could lead to more sell off after. So just imagine you get more bad news the next few days, retaliation on tariff and stuff, that could lead to more sell offs, right? So yeah, I would say be very cautious at this moment. um I am very minimally invested at this moment, just because I'm trying hard to not trade as much during the earnings season, at least position size wise. I'm down to 1/4 position at this moment. Um, yeah, let's take a look at SPY. This one dropped all the way to the 50-day. It is still above the red line though. So again, it's very key level at this moment. I think today it's more of a like okay, we're gonna go back down the lower channel line, um or the key support level. The question is this line gonna become resistance, or are we gonna come back above it, right? Like basically we test it, everything's good, and we'll continue with the rally. So it could go either way, but right now, like I said, it's a very dangerous zone. Let's go to Dow. So Dow also broke its 21-day line. It was near the 10-day before. This is also breaking a recent pattern here of tight consolidation. So again, not a very positive sign at this moment. Okay, let's see. Let's go to IWM Russell here. Here we also fall all the way to the 10-day line. So Russell was the leader, and now we pull back to the 10-day and we bounce really strong. You can see we're trading at the top range right now. So this is showing a lot of strength, in that sense, right? It's still relatively stronger in terms of performance. And you can see the relative strength line here. In terms of stocks on the move, there's really not too much moving at this moment. The biggest ones are the gold, the silver, and some like utilities related stuff. Um, let's see here. We have App Living just showing up here. It's up 0.3%. Let's take a quick look at the stock here. So this is still under a tremendous downtrend line. So having that bounce is good sign, but again, we're nowhere near the downtrend line at this moment. Other stocks that are showing strength today, AMD bouncing pretty nice here, making new recent high as well. Not sure if there's news, but it's definitely moving. Yeah. Let me show you on my list here. Again, we have MU as well, still leading the way on the data storage group, making new high this morning. Very strong stock. Let's keep going here with KEP Electric Power. And then we have Kinross Gold, Goldfield, First Majestic Silver, Pan American Silver, SSR Mining, VICR, WPM, Wheaton Precious Metals, Southern Copper, OR Royalties, Anglo Gold, Alamos Gold, Laser, Franco Nevada, Bell Fuels, Agnico Eagle Mining, USB. Okay, so yeah, as you see, lots of stocks in the gold area. Let's look at the gold bullion price here. Okay. So even though surprisingly the gold price actually came down. Well, it was up this morning, but I think it has to reverse a little bit. No. Let me see. Maybe the chart's not updated. Yeah, I don't think the chart is updated on the right side here. Oh, it is. It jumped a lot here. That's what I was like. Oh, that doesn't make sense. It's at the top here. It's hard to see, but it is at the top there, which makes sense because now all the gold stocks jump quite a bit. Um, Again, there's a whole list of them. Feel free to look at any one of them, like AEM, OGO, AU, AGI, AG, FNB, GFI, KGC, OR, and then we have silver as well. Let's take a look at silver. Here we go again. We pull back, but then we bounce once again. So that's like including stocks like PAS. So that it bounces as well. Majestic Silver, AG bounce as well. So yeah, so this is the group that is, the precious metals group are still doing really well. Other than that, I don't know. There's not really much moving today. So to me, today is a very negative day because we broke some of the, support levels, and who knows, right? This could continue the next few days. So I've been very cautious, and that earnings season coming out. I didn't pay attention to some of the earnings that came out this morning, but definitely there'll be a lot more coming out this week and next week. So we'll be watching for those as well. Yeah, hope everyone have a good day. Yeah, I'm interested in shorting at this moment a little bit. Mostly just the index, but we'll see how things go. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day. Bye.